Now, I want you to use these questions I will give you now to test how prepared you are for this JAMB exam. Use this 10, I'm going to give you 10 questions and I want you to answer them. Just tell me what you think is the answer in the comment section as a way of testing how prepared you are for the JAMB exam, because you will see similar or closely related question in your own exam. Question 1. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined word. So in the comment section, you will tell me what you think is the answer. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Number 1, remember, I need your attention. I need your attention. Since its inception in 1983, the newspaper has attracted thousands of readers. If I were you, you can also, prepare. If you find anything difficult, consult your dictionary, but just make sure you answer all of them. Choose the option nearest in meaning. We are looking at synonyms now. Since its inception in 1983, the newspaper has attracted thousands of readers. A. Renaissance. B. Coming. C. Commencement. D. Publication. Since its inception, so nearest the meaning of inception of something, is it Renaissance, is it coming, is it commencement, or is it publication? Question 52. Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. What's the nearest in meaning to detached? A. Friendly. B. Careless. C. Indifferent. D. Passionate. If I want to see that candidate that can get 10 over 10 correct. I want to see that candidate that will shock me by getting 10 over 10 correct. Lantana, question 53. Lantana dwelt in a round cottage on the hillside. Lantana dwelt in a round cottage on the hillside. A. Sat. B. Walked. C. Slept. Remember, we're looking at nearest meaning of dwelt. Lantana dwelt on a round cottage in the hillside. A. Sat. B. Walked. C. Slept. And D. Lived. Lived. Okay, I hope you are following. Now we continue. The mistake brought the show to an ignominious end. The mistake brought the show to an ignominious end. A good end. B, palatable end. C, a disgraceful end. D, a satisfactory end. What do you think is the nearest meaning to ignominious? You cannot just go to your dictionary, find the meaning, and answer. He compliments me on my way of doing things. He compliments me on my way of doing things. Remember, this compliment is the one that has L-I and not L-E. He compliments me on my way of doing things. A. Compliments. B. Imitates. C. Disgust. D. Praises. Remember, we are looking at nearest meaning. Oh, I'm just giving you 10 questions that I want you to try your hands on. Okay? The girl is angry with her friend who had ensnared her into this relationship. The girl is angry with her friend who had ensnared her into this relationship. We are looking at nearest meaning. A. Tricked. Nearest meaning of ensnared. A. Tricked. B. Encouraged. C. Forced. D. Enslaved. What's the nearest meaning of this word? Underline. Ensnared. Is it tricked? Is it encouraged? Is it forced? Or is it enslaved? 57. I just want to know if you have been following. You know, I've done videos from on use of English, giving you answers. I've done videos on chemistry, physics, biology, economics, and all the rest. And I give you the expo question and I give you the answer. But now I want you to do the same for me. I'm giving you the question and I want you to throw back the answer for me. I give you the question, you give me the answer, okay? It's our new method of your preparation. I will still do a video telling you the answers, but for now, tell me the answers, okay? We move on. Their new house was roofed with corrugated sheets. Their new house was roofed with corrugated sheets. So when we say corrugated, the nearest meaning is what? A, folded. B, iron. C, aluminium. D, corrupted. Their new house was roofed with corrugated sheets. The nearest meaning, is it folded, or is it iron, is it aluminium, or is it corrupted? I give you the permission to consult your dictionary, okay, as you answer this. And don't be in a hurry. Just ensure you answer the 10 of them. Remember, you don't need to dodge it, because you will soon enter the exam hall and face it eyeball to eyeball. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. The nearest meaning of astute is what? A bad move. B, a shrewd move. C, an unprofitable move. D, an insincere move. Okay? The stockbroker said it was an astute move. The similar meaning of astute is what? Tell me, what is the answer? Is it a bad move, a shrewd move, an unprofitable move, or an insincere move? 49. The principal described Oche as the most tactful person he had ever worked with. I hope it's not Beppo, the principal of the guy that is called Lekki Headmaster. Okay? Stardom Schools, the principal of Stardom School. The principal described Oche as the most tactful person he had ever worked with. So the similar meaning of tactful, is it A, passionate, B, discreet, C, hardworking, D, innovative? Tactful, is it passionate or discreet or hardworking or innovative? Remember, don't rush. You can consult your dictionary, you can make some research, but ensure you answer all of them. The old woman is suffering from dementia. The old woman is suffering from dementia. So the nearest meaning of dementia is what? A, lucidity. B, senility. C, insanity. D, sagacity. If I were you, I would check up all these words, both dementia, lucidity, senility, insanity, and sagacity. I'll look it up from Google or from a nearby dictionary, maybe dictionary in your phone. Let me take the question again quickly. Let me give you the question again quickly. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined words. As you are watching this now, you can now be answering. Since its inception in 1983, the newspaper has attracted thousands of readers. Is it nearest meaning of inception? Is it renaissance or coming or commencement or publication? Question 52. Remember, if you need me to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions, just tell me in the comment section. You want free JAMB syllables, you want free JAMB past question, tell me in the comment section. Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. Nearest meaning of detached, is it friendly, is it careless, is it indifferent, or is it passionate? Tell me the answer in the comment section. Lantana, the words in a round cottage on the hillside. Lantana, the words in a round cottage on the hillside. A, sat. B, walked. C, slept. And D, lived. Tell me the nearest meaning of the word. The mistake brought the show to an ignominious end. What is the similar meaning of ignominious? A, good. B, palatable. C, disgraceful. D, satisfactory. 55. He compliments me on my way of doing things. The nearest meaning of compliments, is it A, compliments, or is it imitates, or C, disgust, D, praises? 56. The girl is angry with her friend who has ensnared her into this relationship. Ensnared. The nearest meaning of ensnared, is it tricked, or encouraged, or forced, or enslaved? What do you think is the answer? 57. Their new house was roofed with corrugated sheets. A. Folded. B. Iron. C. Aluminium. D. Corrupted. 58. This is the 8th question for you. Test your brain, oh, don't dodge. I say those of you at the back that want to dodge, you cannot dodge, oh, because I'm giving you something very, very akin to what you will see in the exam hall. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. A bad move. B, a shrewd move. C, an unprofitable move. D, an insincere move. Test your head. Test your level of preparation. The principal described Uche as the most tactful person he had ever worked with. The principal described Uche as the most tactful person he had ever worked with. A, passionate. B, discreet. C, hardworking. D, innovative. What do you think could be the similar meaning of tactful? Then the last question for you is, if you did not get all the questions, you can watch this video over and over again. Just take your time and tell me the answer. I am waiting for you in the comment section for the answer. The old woman is suffering from dementia. The old woman is suffering from dementia. A, lucidity. B, senility. C, insanity. D, sagacity. What do you think is the similar meaning of this word dementia? Tell me the answer also. Remember that we have done other videos. If you want me to give you the link to all the videos we have done on use of English, if you are new here, go ahead and join our channel. Go ahead right now, join our channel. If you join our channel, you become a member. So click on join. When you become a member, you can talk to me directly. You can ask me your questions. You can call me on the phone. You can chat with me on WhatsApp. So it's a privilege I'm giving you. Go ahead right now, join our channel. Number 2, when you join our channel, ensure you like this video. Just boop the like button. Then number 3, share this video. It's a must. It's a must. Just click on share it so that your classmates, your friends can also see this video and attempt it, right? Okay, share it here on YouTube. Share it, copy the link, post the link on WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, Instagram. Share it on Telegram channels and all the rest. Make sure everybody gets the link. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube. When you do these things, these 4 things, when you like, which is compulsory, when you join, which is compulsory, join, like, share and subscribe, then you'll qualify to receive free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus. If you need me to give them to you, just do those 4 things and come under the comment on this video and type I have subscribed. Don't fail also to tell me the answers to the 10 questions. Or are you afraid? Are you afraid? There's an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Ensure you tap on it and watch now.